Morning everybody. We're here in a village not too far from Santiago de Guarda, which is just probably, is it south west of Coimbra, in the heart of or central part of Portugal. I'm going to show you a 3-stroke 4-bedroom detached property, a really nice one with lots of natural stone that's been and still is being worked on. It'll be finished very soon. So here we are at the rear of the property. I'm stood on what is by the way, the workmen are in today, so you'll have to bear with me. There might be a few strange sounds every now and again, like you can hear now. Okay, this is a threshing area, stone threshing area, and to the right is a little stone barn that you can see, and this is the furthermost part of the rear of the property. There is an entrance, there's 3 entrances to this property that you will see. This is a track at the back that's very, very rarely used, and those are them beautiful views that you can see. Okay, round we go. Sorry about the noise, hopefully it'll stop soon. Okay, so in we go through the archway, and here we can see we're at the rear. It's a nice lemon tree. I think that's a nut tree. Oh, that belongs to the neighbour though, sorry, cancel that one. Path winds round to a little, what is classed as the potting shed, that's used obviously, as you can see, for the garden. Maybe it could be a little greenhouse as well. Down here is there a garden again that belongs to the property. This has very big yuccas, has peach tree, apple tree that I can see, and this to my right is a fig. Okay, now you can see the house at the rear, and to my left is a very big stone well that you can use to irrigate the garden. Let me see, maybe there's water in it now. Ah yes, plenty of water in it, as you can see. Okay, so what we'll do now, I'll show you the side of the house, up this path, bread oven here, and these are the gentlemen, this is the gentleman that's doing the work. This tiling will be finished probably a week or so, as the lads are getting on with it now. Okay, so let's go inside. So in we go to what is a very large open plan area. This has obviously been renovated to a really high standard. Has a kitchen here on the left, modern day base units and wall units with polished granite work surface, stainless steel sink, and we have a gas oven and hob, and here is the extractor. Okay, adjacent is the fridge and the freezer, and a large American style fridge freezer top of the stairs. So away we go from a tiled area into what is a laminate floor area, which is like a good quality laminate floor. In the corner, big wood burner that obviously heats the place in the winter months. And this is a TV area, as you can see, with a sofa in front of the TV, and nice position for the winter in front of the wood burner. There are radiators and pipes for central heating, circulation pipes that is, in the walls. The pipes go to a small room downstairs where you could fit a boiler to heat, obviously, the radiators and provide hot water as well, should you wish. But the new owner would need to fit the boiler of their choice. It could be, let me see, it could be oil, it could be solid, it could be wood, it could be gas, whatever they wish. Okay, from here, at the end, small corridor. This has another radiator. And here we go into a fully tiled bathroom. This has, let me see, a bath with mixer shower. There it is. WC, bidet, and basin with a basin mirror. Also has nice views of the garden. Okay, out we come. We're going to turn right now and just pop in here. One of the owners is working, so we'll be quiet. This is quite a big double bedroom with laminate floor and that window that overlooks the lane, country lane at the front of the property. Okay, it's quite a good sized bedroom, as you can see. High ceilings again. And let me just pan around here and I'll show you how this is the corridor again. Back we go into the living area, and what we'll do now, excuse me, is go down the stairs. Stairs are in a Moliano stone with stainless steel balustrades, as are the window bottoms. Oh, by the way, the windows are aluminium double glazed. And down we go. Okay, this is quite new to me. We have a door here directly at the bottom. Just open this. And that opens on to a courtyard that we'll be going into quite soon. The door on my right is now being used as a storeroom, but this is another bedroom. Double bedroom again, good size. Laminate floor. The doors seem to be finished in what it looks like, I would say a light oak with wooden door architraves and frames. There goes the village clock, you can probably hear it. Don't need a watch living here. There is a little chapel very close. Beautiful little place. Okay. There's the door intercom. That's connected to the front gate. And here is your breaker unit box, the electric one. So, turning left of the corridor, we go down 5 or 6 steps. And we turn it now to another bathroom. This one fully tiled again, with once again bidet, WC, basin, but this has a shower that you can see here. And there's your mixer. Okay, nice light floor tiles. And there's another radiator. So to the right is yet another bedroom. Really high ceilings here, probably I would say 3 meters possibly more. This has a nice laminate floor again. Lots of light, natural light coming in. Morning light, as you can see. And what I'll do now, I think I will go out through here into the courtyard. Let me see. Oh, maybe it's better if we go back down the corridor. So this property, I think, is for sale for now 230,000. I'll have to check, but you'll get the details, or more details, from our website. I'll be giving you the details of where to contact us a little later in the video. So down we go into the courtyard, and here we have an annex that at present is being worked on, as you can see with this gentleman, bricklayer. This, I should imagine, will have a door on. Let me see if it's got a door on already. Not as yet. This again, whatever you want it to be, really. If you're looking for a studio or maybe a rental accommodation, could quite easily be adapted. So across the courtyard we go, turning right up the steps again to the first floor. Not forgetting here is the room containing the water heater, and this would probably be a good location for the central heating boiler also. Okay, there's the circuit breaker box, and off we go again. This takes me back about 30 years. I used to be involved in the building trade in the UK. So up we go. So we're now on the first floor level again. Bon dia. This gentleman is obviously doing the work on the roof, and there's the floor tiler. Muito trabalho, pouco dinheiro, now, eh? So down we go from here, and to the right again. Another big area that's been worked on and finished. Oh, and yet another one. Wow, this is big. Just step up here. This is beautiful. I didn't know this was here actually. There's natural stone, vaulted ceiling in pine, light pine, not too dark. Here is the courtyard. And this is en suite. These are door and frame. But here you can see a shower, WC, and a basin. This would make a good rental, by the way, or a place for granddad or grandma, or a teenager. Just have a quick look in here. Yeah. This has steps going down to the room just in front of the courtyard. Lots of lovely natural stone, as you can see. Okay, so out we come. Turning right, and the end of the property is here. This large hinged gate. So this is another entrance. This is the second of the entrances. I'll look back, show you the gentleman making all the noise. And what I'll do now, I shall go a short distance round to the front. Here we have the chapel from 1876, chapel bell, and this would be an area where the village festa would take place once a year, which is nice. Gets the locals coming from quite a distance away to enjoy a little wine, some food, some music. Beautiful bougainvillea here. Okay, so down we go. I'm going to go to the right. The access to the property is good, as you can see, with tarmac roads. And off we go. I'll end with what I think will be the front of the property. Just to give you an idea, I should imagine Coimbra is about 30 minutes away. Figueira da Foz on the Atlantic coast, maybe 50-55 minutes. Porto, probably 95 minutes. Lisbon would be approximately just under 2 hours from here. Okay, so down we go. Now this is the front of the property. You can see Casa Angula, and on it goes. And that room is where the lady was working on her computer. And pan round to show you the area. Okay, so there we have it. If you're interested, give us a call on 00351 916 270 953 or email us at the email address at the end of this video. Ok, muito bem, bom dia e bom fim de semana.